pina-excuse po natin yung isang individual na dumalo sa ating hearing. Baka po kasi magkaroon ng misunderstanding why she was excused from our hearing. Number one, she was not invited to attend today's hearing. Number two, she did not take her oath. So we don't even know the personalities and the circumstances to why she is here. And no communication was forwarded to the committee as to her attendance. For all we know, she can be somebody posing for somebody, and the committee cannot act on mere presentation without proper representation to the said committee, Mr. Chair. So para lang po maunawaan ng lahat kung bakit po natin pinakiusapan na ma-excuse yung isang individual na nagpakilala na Attorney Tolentino. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Wala na po bang sasalita? Comsec?
Chairman, permission to excuse. Chairman, permission to excuse.
Yes, Congressman Paduano, you're excused.
Thank you.
Comsec?
Your Honor, may we recognize Honorable Joseph Jojo Lara from the 3rd District of Cagayan and Deputy Majority Leader Honorable Frances Pumarin from the 3rd District of Quezon City. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We will now proceed to the... I will recognize you later, but we will proceed to the item in our agenda. Good morning. Once again, we are here today in the 5th hearing of the House Blue Ribbon Committee for the continuation of the deliberations on the following matters. Number 1, privilege speech number 379 of Congressman Rolando Valeriano on September 3, 2024 on asserting the power of the purse of Congress. And 2, the motu proprio inquiry on the manifestation of Representative Jingy Luistro during the budget hearing of the Department of Education before the House Committee of Appropriation on September 2, 2024.